I can handle the situation. I can handle the situation. I want to improve my speaking. I want to improve my speaking. I believe in consistency. I believe in consistency. I'm ready for the challenge. I'm ready for the challenge. I want to express myself clearly. I want to express myself clearly. I'm willing to try new things. I'm willing to try new things. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I know I can do better. I know I can do better. I'm confident about my decision. I'm confident about my decision. I'm not afraid to fail. I'm not afraid to fail. That sounds like a plan. That sounds like a plan. I don't see any problem with that. I don't see any problem with that. That's not the point. That's not the point. I understand your concern. I understand your concern.